Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. Alright, and I have another unboxing video for you guys. As you know, this is your channel for your budget tech and accessories. So now we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm gonna do a review. Well, not really a review, but like an unboxing and a quick look at these Spigen Ultra Hybrid cases. So if you follow my channel here, you can see I have a bunch of case videos on my channel, and these are most of all the cases I have. They are budget cases that I bought, every single one of them from Amazon. So if you're a person who are not looking to spend too much on accessories or cases for your phone or any budget tech, for a matter of fact, my channel here is the right place for you to be. All right, so consider subscribing and turn your notification bell on to get notified for the next upload. Okay, but what I have here for you today is 3 Spigen cases. As you can see, I have here, I have the Ultra Hybrid. This is gonna be the matte black. As you can see here, we have the Frost Black, which is this one right here, and we have the clear one. So the clear one is the one that's currently on my phone here. So I have the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is what the clear one looks like, because this is the one I'm rocking on my phone right now. As you can see, really solid case, nice cutouts at the bottom. You have these lips, these bumps. It's not protruding right here. You can run your fingers around the phone. No, it's not protruding. It seems like it is, but it's not. It's actually like a bumper underneath the case. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and show you in a minute, but look at this case. It's really nice, beautiful. It's not slippery. I don't see much fingerprint on here. I know it attracts like a lot of lint and dust, but this case is very nice on the phone. Okay, so if you, depending on what color iPhone you have and you want to have that color pop, you don't want to cover up the color of your phone. You want to have that show, like your gold phone and that new Sierra blue they have. You definitely want to have a case like this to show off that color. You don't want to cover it up. Okay, so as you can see, the cutout here on the back here is really nice. Have a little lip here to protect your camera bump. Okay, your volume rockers, very easy to press. They're not too hard or anything, easy to press. You get nice access to your silent switch here, as you can see. Nice cutout. Some of them, they're really small. You gotta really try to get your finger in there to get to your silent switch, but this one is good. We do have the Spigen logo here as well, and your power button cutout, power button on this right hand side right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off really quick so you can see. So here it is when it's off the phone, and this does have the anti-yellowing coating on here. I mean, they said it's on here, but I know over time sometimes they still do get yellow, but this should last pretty long, because I had my previous iPhone, I had a Spigen Ultra Hybrid case just like this, the clear one, and it did not turn yellow. So depending on how long you have it or what do you do with your phone, like if you're in a lot of dust or anything, I guarantee it's probably gonna turn yellow. Okay, but this is a nice case if you're looking for a nice clear case for your phone. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case is a definite one to put on your list. Okay, and these are the bumpers as I showed you before. They're not protruding. It seems like it is, but it's not. It's one uniform feeling going around the case right here. All right, so let's move on to the next one, which is gonna be the Frost Black. So we're gonna open the Frost Black one. This already opened and took them out the plastic, so pretty easy access. So this is the Frost Black. So the Frost Black definitely means that the back is frosted here, but the ring around the case is actually black. Okay, and we have your camera cutout here, a camera bump, power button on the right, typical power button cutout here. We have our volume rockers and our silent switch cutout, charging port, lightning cutout here, and your speakers. So let's put this on the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max and see what it looks like. So let's slap that in the case. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so you can see you have nice protection going all the way around your phone. Has a little lip over the screen to protect your phone when you put it face down like this. So as you can see, it's protected. You put it on the back. It has a little lip over the camera bump as well, so your cameras are protected. Okay, and you can see it looks pretty nice and uniform on the phone as well. Okay, and this is the frost black. That is not frost back, but frost black, but the back is frosted here. So this is what it looks like on the graphite iPhone. So I'm pretty sure this goes with any color iPhone you put it on. It's gonna look really nice. So that's another one you can consider if you're looking for a nice case for your iPhone. So let me go ahead now, and we are gonna put on the matte black, which is this one right here. So let's put that aside as well. We're gonna go ahead and open the matte black. Go. Okay, so this is a matte black. So with the matte black, the back is clear. It's not frosted like this one. So that's something you should look for if you're buying one of these cases. Make sure you pay attention to if it's frost black or matte black, because matte black does have the clear back. The frost black has the back frosted. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Same thing as a frost, but it's clear instead. Okay, and you do have the same cutouts, same camera bump, same case except it has no frost at the back. So let's put this in, see what it looks like. So here it is. This is what it looks like on the graphite phone. This case with the clear back here, definitely beautiful. Look at this. Shows the color of your phone, has the highlights around your camera and the edges of the phone. It looks really nice. So this is another case to consider if you're looking to get a nice case for your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max, and also the regular 13s. They do have them for those phones as well. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you out if you're trying to get a case for your phone, and that is the Spigen case. All right, so definitely you need to check these out if you're looking for a case for your iPhone. Very nice cases, beautiful cases. You won't regret buying any one of these. Any one of these you go with, you're getting a solid case. Okay, so that's it for the Spigen case unboxing and a quick look. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this with budget cases, budget accessories, then this is the channel for you. So make sure you're subscribed and you turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. And also I will have the link in the description for all these cases. So if you're interested in getting any one of these cases, then you can go ahead and make your purchases. So here they are. We have a quick recap. We have the matte black, we have the clear, and we have the frost black. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Peace.